Hiya crafters, Amy here, and today I'm going to share some, but not all, of the July 2022 release at A Colorful Life Designs. Now, I only got a handful this time, just because I have a busy month coming up, but there are a ton in the release, so be sure to follow my links below the video and check out the rest of this gorgeous release. So I'm just going to show you what I received. When you order a package from A Colorful Life Designs, it will likely come in a mailer like this. And inside you will find a manila envelope, and inside that you will find your stencils. Now, if you have multi-layer stencils or ones with little additional pieces parts, then they'll be in their own little plastic sleeve. But if they're just a single layer, then they will just be in this manila folder. And that is because Mary Kay at A Colorful Life Designs is making a conscious effort to cut down on unnecessary plastic waste. So I'm just going to show you the handful that I received here a moment. And to start right out, we have this awesome Fairway ball. How cool is that? So this is an A2 size panel to give you some perspective on size. But it has this awesome, bigger openings and this gradient to smaller openings. So this would be really geometric and cool. Next up we have, this is called Whirl Around. How fun is that? So lots of geometric designs in this release, which is great if you struggle with masculine or gender neutral cards. Things like this just create a beautiful background. You can keep it simple, do some ink blending, slap a sentiment on there, and Bob's your uncle. I mean, it's literally that easy. So you'll find lots of really cool geometric designs in this month's release. This is striped dots. How fun is that? And these are sturdy. I mean, there's definitely some delicate ones which are gorgeous in the lineup, but these are, pretty sturdy and hefty. So you could go with or without pixie spray on something like this. So again, this is striped dots. Now you guys probably know I have a coupon, AmyFan10, will save you 10% on your complete order if you shop. Now this gorgeous one, Squish balls. This might be one of my favorites. I don't know. There's something mid-century modern about it. I don't know what it is, but I really love that. So Squish balls. And then this is spinning lines. So the way I picture this, you could put like a little cute critter here in the middle, or you could put a sentiment there, you could offset it. Lots of really cool options. So those are the handful that I received. Like I said, this is not the total release, so be sure to check out the rest in the shop, and don't forget my coupon if you want to save on your complete order. So let me just pick one of these to play with here and put some color through it. Kind of loving this Squish balls. This one I think I'd probably need pixie spray, so I'm going to set this one aside because I'll need to spray that, but that would definitely make for an easy card. And this one, maybe on the pixie spray. Yeah. Probably be better with pixie spray on that one. So let me start off playing with this Squish balls. I'm going to just put some color down on this. I'm just going to grab my Wendy Vecchi station tool. Just hold down the stencil with some magnets. Just going to line it up. Take a look at the composition. And then I'm just going to get a little inky with it. See what happens. First time playing with it. Okay, I'm going to do Paradise Found Spot Collection, one of my favorites. And I don't know, I always gravitate towards these teal colors. So maybe this, I don't know. Let's see. We'll see what the moment brings. Eucalyptus, actually, since I only have one green blending brush, I better start with the lighter one. That would make more sense. With this little paw here that'll help hold down my ink pad when I remember to use it. I will admit, sometimes I don't. Just get so happy in the moment crafting, I don't even think about it. So I have this lighter green. I'm just going to lay some color down. I'll probably go in, I don't know, a bit of an order here rather than popping all around. You can just kind of lay down little spots of colors, but I think I'll go, from this range here of inks that I have, from the lighter green into the darker and into the teal and blue. Just because I think that's what I want to do today. So these geometric designs, like I said, are really super easy to put together cards for men specifically. I know a lot of people struggle because, you know, you can only have so many fish cards or toolbox cards or whatever other kind of traditionally male things. So in my mind, I think you just keep it simple. You know, pick some colors that work together, which I know can also be a struggle for some people, but just pick a couple colors that play well together, that blend well together, and find something like this, like an awesome geometric stencil that really just helps you create an awesome background. And then you can add, you know, a die cut sentiment or like a sentiment strip or something like that, and just keep it simple. It doesn't have to be overcomplicated. And let's be real, I mean, are they really going to appreciate all the bells and whistles? You know, some might, but I'm sure you've all experienced the ones that don't really appreciate all the work you put into it. But, you know, that's not why we do it, right? We do it because we love it. And this is just an easy way to kind of whip together some cards. Really super easy. Oh my gosh, this color. See, look, I'm not even using the paw again. I'm so habitual. You just get in a groove and you don't even pay attention to what you're doing, right? Okay, so Daydream, Juniper Mist. This is going to be wowza. This is like super dark. I'll put this down. Kind of blend that in. Again, if you don't want it to pop up, use your magnets. Use some pixie spray. But like I said, this is a pretty solid one. It's not super delicate like some of them in the shop. So this one is pretty easy to hold down. But I'm going to just pull this off here a moment. Actually, I missed a little spot here. Let me get in here. I'll probably cut this panel down anyway. But look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Super easy. Slap a nice chunky sentiment on it. Put that on a card base and boom, you have a card. Super easy, right? So I'm really excited to play with these stencils. Like I said, be sure to check out the rest. There's tons of really cool geometric designs this month. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Now, I will drop other videos showing projects from this release throughout the month. So if you're interested in catching those, then you might want to hit the bell, and then you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So I hope you enjoyed this. I appreciate you checking out my vid, and watch for future videos. I'll check you next time. Bye.